Hi friends, today in this tutorial I will be talking about that how to create tables inside your PDF documents using JSPDF Autotable plugin or library. So this is the official GitHub repository of this plugin. Here you can see that. So you can create these beautiful tables inside your PDF documents. There are three themes available: script, grid and plain. So I will be showing you these three examples. So I will be creating these tables in JavaScript. So first of all, create an index.html file and just write your doc type and create a simple HTML file. Give it a head tag and inside this have a title. Let's suppose we have a title that JSPDF Autotable plugin, and inside the body we will be having a simple button which will be triggering the action. We will be giving a on click attribute to it. So we will be writing this table function and the label will be simply download PDF. And now we just need to grab the CDN of this. So we can just type here JSPDF Autotable. So you can just write here JSPDF Autotable CDN, and the very first link which comes in this link cdnjs.com. You need to go to this link and here you can just copy paste the CDN of JSPDF here. So just make a script tag here and paste this CDN here like this. So this is a JSPDF CDN, and also you will be needing the JSPDF Autotable CDN. So just go to this website jsDeliver.com and you can even search on Google. Just go to Google and type here JSPDF Autotable CDN. So this is the link here, JSPDF Autotable. Copy this link again and make a new script tag. Source is equal to this link, that's it. So now after including it, we just need to create a table inside our PDF document. So just make an empty script tag. So here we will be writing the custom JavaScript code. So just go to the documentation on the GitHub page. First of all, we need to create the JSPDF document here. So for that we will be creating a doc variable and new JSPDF. After creating the document, we also need to create a reference to the table. So we will be creating a table tag here in the body. We will be giving an ID to it of table and closing the table tag like this. And now we just need to add this inside our JavaScript. So we can just target it by the ID that we have given to the table. So this we have given the ID of table, so just replace the ID here, hash table, like this. So after doing this, we just need to add our entries like this. If I just copy this, and after that, this is the head, basically columns, name, email, country. You can even add more columns, and these are the rows inside the table. You can add as many rows as possible. After that, you just need to save this doc.save output.pdf like this. Just give it a name, and we just need to wrap this inside the table function that we have binded to the button. So just wrap all these code inside the table function, because we have given this table on click attribute. And now if I refresh it, application, you will see a download PDF button. If I hit this button, a PDF file will be downloaded. it is saying that table is not a function. Let me change this to generate PDF. So and now if I refresh it once again, so you will see that a output file will be downloaded. If I open this, the default theme is grid here. So if I go to the documentation, you will see that this is a theme which is applied by default, stripped. So in order to change the theme, you can pass your option here of theme option. So if you go to the documentation, you will see here there is various properties which are there in order to change the theme. So there's a theme option here which you can just pass here. So if you pass a theme option like this, if you pass plain, let's suppose we want to generate a plain table. If I refresh it now, if I click download PDF, if I open this, you will see a plain table which is generated here. And now if I want to change this to from strip to grid, so now it will be grid. So if I refresh it, so now it will be having this grid style applied to it. So this is there in the documentation. You can apply it stripped, grid, plain, and the default one is stripped here. So you can even apply styles, head styles, all that stuff. So in this way you can just do this. You can even change the font style, font also. So that's it guys, so for this tutorial. So thanks very much for watching this video.